Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my advanced beginner or intermediate combo to I Want to Dance with Somebody by Whitney Houston. So I posted this short earlier this month and I'm just getting around to doing the tutorial. If you would like to do the dance with music once you've learned it in this video, then you can go ahead and find the short that I posted. The link to that is in my description box below. And then also, if you don't know some of the steps that I do in this dance, you can also find videos going over those, tutorials going over those steps in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist, also linked in my description box below. So lots of help. So if you want to do it with music, the link to that short is in the description box below. And if you don't know some of the steps, find my Tap Step Tutorials playlist, and there should be a tutorial going over the step that you need help with. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here. So we're going to start with 2 Cincinnatis. We're going to start on the left and then do one on the right. So when I say we're starting with a Cincinnati, there are a few different ways you could start them. I like to start them with a drawback. So we're going to start with a left side Cincinnati, but we're going to shuffle on the right, since actual Cincinnati is happening on the right. So I guess it would be a right side. So we're starting with the left foot drawback here, and then shuffle on the right, shuffle heel. And then we're going to go to the right foot. We're going to go drawback on the right, shuffle on the left. Okay, so 2, 1 on the left, and then 1 on the right. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So drawback on the left, Cincinnati on the right, drawback on the right, Cincinnati on the left. Okay, and here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then we're going to go into another drawback on the left here. And here's where we're going to do almost like a triple Cincinnati, but not quite. We're going to go shuffle heel out to the side. And then we're going to do shuffle heel forward. And then shuffle heel side. Okay, so you have 2 singles and then that triple one. So starting with the left foot, you're going to go drawback Cincinnati left and right. Then we have our triple, out, forward, out. Okay, and now we're going to repeat that whole thing. The triple is going to be a little bit different, but we're going to do the 2 singles. Now starting with the right foot drawback, Cincinnati on the left. So we're going to go 1. Now it's the left, right. And then here's where it's going to get a little bit different. We're going to do a drawback on the right. And now we're just going to do 2 shuffle heels out to the side. And then a toe on the left. Okay? So we're starting with the left foot drawback. Okay? 2 Cincinnatis, and then the triple, and then 2 Cincinnatis, and then just the double, shuffle heel, toe. Let's give that a try nice and slow. I know it's a little bit confusing, but as always, you can pause the video if you need to, or rewind, or slow it down, whatever you need to do. Okay? So starting with the left foot drawback, Cincinnati's on the right. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We have Cincinnati, 1, 2, triple, out, forward, out. Now other side. 1, 2, and double, shuffle, heel, toe. Let's give that another try. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me, almost went into the toe too soon. From here, we're going to do 2 5-count riffs. We're going to go on the left and then the right. So left side 5-count riff, right side 5-count riff. And then we're going to do a forward 3-count riff, and then we're going to go dig, spank, heel to go back, and then finish it off with a 5-count riff, 3-count riff with a dig toe, going forward again. So again, that's a 3-count riff forward, dig, spank, heel back, and then a 5-count riff to finish it off going forward. Okay, so we finished here. Shuffle, heel, toe. 2 5-count riffs. And then we have 3, 3, 5. Then we're going to do 2 5-count riffs. Now starting on the right foot, we're going to go right and then left. And we're going to throw in a riff rhythm turn on the right side here. Okay, so we're here. We have 2 5s, 3, 3, 5, and a 5 again. 5, turn. There we go. I missed the board on that last one. So then after the turn, we're going to do 2 buffaloes on the right foot because we just ended with our left toe. So weight is in the left foot. We're going to do 2 buffaloes on the right. We have 1, 2, and then we're going to do a running shuffle where we do 4 of them. We're going to go 1 enda, 2 enda, 3 enda, 4 enda. Okay, so 4 total shuffles, starting with the right foot step. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And nothing's going to happen on that last one. It's just going to go shuffle. Okay, so again, 2 buffaloes. We have 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go into 2 Broadways on the right and then on the left. Okay. All right. So we just finished the turn. And then we go into our buffaloes. 1, 2, running shuffle, Broadway. And then we go into, back into the buffaloes. Back into the buffaloes on the right side again. You have 2 of them. Running shuffle for 4. And then the Broadways again. And then you slide on the right foot. Okay? And then I think I have something at the end where it's like a slide. And then I think I have a riffle heel. I think it's just a riffle. So I think it's a slide and then a riffle. You don't have to do that part. It's perfectly fine if you don't. All right, so let's go from the top, from those drawbacks. Here we go. So starting with the left foot Cincinnati. Actually, it's on the right side, but we start on the left foot drawback. It's confusing sometimes which side we're on. All right, let's go ahead and give that a try. So we have drawback, or Cincinnati right, Cincinnati left, and then Cincinnati triple, shuffle, heel, shuffle, heel, shuffle, heel on the right side. Okay, starting with that. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, out, forward, out, again, out, toe, 5, count riff, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, turn, buffalo, 1, 2, running shuffle, Broadway, again with the buffalo, running shuffle, Broadway, then we slide, and you can do the riffle if you want. Okay? Okay, hopefully that all made sense. Like I said, you can always pause it and rewind or slow it down if you need to, if I went through something too fast. We're going to do it one more time, and we are going, I'm not going to say the names of the steps this time, so we're just going to run it through as though we're doing it with music, but obviously there's no music, okay? And then again, if you want to do the dance with music, you can find the link to that short in my description box below, okay? All right, here we go. Let's do it up to tempo, no music, and I'm not going to say the names of the steps, okay? Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, nicely done. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. I know I've been kind of missing some of my dates for videos. I've been a little bit busy, so I'm hoping to be a little more consistent now. So Tuesday and Thursday, that's when I have videos coming out. And if you have a song suggestion, or if you have a comment of a step suggestion that you would like me to break down, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll try to get to those as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.